Mango Kids TV,
Hello, super learners. Welcome to Mango Kids TV,
the place for fun lessons and happy learning.
Good morning, class. Today we are learning fun rhyming words.
I'm ready, teacher.
Listen carefully and repeat after me. Ring, sing.
Ring, sing.
Sand hand.
Sand hand.
Sand hand.
Sand hand.
Light kite.
Light kite.
Light kite. Light kite. Rain train.
Rain train.
Rain train.
Rain train.
Excellent. Book look.
Book look.
Book look.
Book look.
Milk silk.
Milk silk.
Milk silk.
Milk silk.
Bell shell.
Bell shell.
Toy boy.
Toy boy.
Toy boy.
Toy boy.
Wonderful. You are doing great. Let's repeat.
Ring.
Ring sing.
Ring sing.
Sand hand.
Sand hand.
Sand hand.
Sand hand.
Light kite.
Light kite.
Light kite. Light kite. Rain train.
Rain train.
Rain train.
Rain train.
Excellent. Book look.
Book look.
Book look.
Book look.
Milk silk.
Milk silk.
Milk silk.
Milk silk.
Bell shell.
Bell shell.
Toy boy.
Toy boy.
Toy boy.
Toy boy.
Now it's quiz time.
I'm ready.
Great. Let's begin. What rhymes with light? 3, 2, 1.
Kite.
What rhymes with book? 3, 2, 1.
Look.
That's right. Look rhymes with book. What rhymes with ring? 3, 2, 1.
Sing.
What rhymes with milk? 3, 2, anyone?
Silk.
Correct. Great job. Final question. What rhymes with toy? 3, 2.
One.
Excellent work. You are a rhyming star.
I love learning rhyming words.
See you in the next fun lesson. Thanks for watching Mango Kids TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next fun lesson.